Hey guys, at IronRods we thought of everything to make installation as easy as possible. Before we get started, here's a list of tools you'll need to install your rods. A drill, a 5/16 drill bit, a screwdriver bit, a hammer, tape measure, a level or laser level, and a pencil. Our Drapery rod sets include 2 returns, brackets or end brackets, depending on which rod you order. Center brackets for 1-inch rods over 72 inches and 5/8 rods over 60 inches to be installed at each splice location. Heavy-duty toggle anchors for secure installation in drywall, plaster, and other solid surfaces. And a color-matching permanent marker to color screw heads before you install them. To make installation easier, the top of the screw holes on all of our brackets are located at the same height. Once you determine the rod height, simply draw a level line or use a laser level to show the bracket hole location. Now mark the holes with a pencil. Next, drill a 5/16 hole. Then take the plastic anchor, fold it, and insert it in the hole. Gently tap the anchor with a hammer until it's flush with the wall. Now take the yellow pin and tap it with a hammer. This unfolds the anchor behind the wall. Be careful not to go too far. If your walls are solid, you will not need to do this step. Hold your bracket against the wall and insert the screw into the anchor firmly. Repeat these steps for each bracket. Now you're ready to place your Drapery rod. Thanks for watching. For more information about our products or to place an order, visit us at IronRods.com.